How does the intersection of wildlife corridors with human infrastructure lead to habitat fragmentation and increased wildlife mortality? MAPOG's cross-intersection tool enables conservationists and planners to pinpoint critical intersections where wildlife corridors intersect infrastructure, enabling targeted mitigation strategies. Launch the Map Analysis interface, go to GIS Library and search for forest polygon and roads of an area and add them. Rename both of your layer for better understanding. Instead of untitled map, save your project with a proper name that describes the project accurately. We will now identify intersections to ensure safe animal movement. Click on the cross-intersection option using the Process Data option in the header. In the Select Polygon section, provide the Forest Polygon layer, and Select Polygon Attribute section, provide the Land Use attribute of Forest Polygon. Next, in the Select Line Layer section, provide the Roads Polyline layer, and Select Line Attribute section, provide the Highway attribute of Roads Polyline. Here you'll be able to see the cross intersections that has been created. Let's rename that layer. Here I am creating a 500-meter buffer zone called Critical Impact Zone, and a 1,000 meters buffer zone called Mitigation Zone around the intersection. Do the basic styling based on the buffer zones. Here I am using red color for Critical Impact Zone and green for Mitigation Zone. Using MAPOG's cross-intersection tool, we identified multiple numbers of critical intersections where wildlife corridors cross major highways, prioritizing these areas for the implementation of wildlife crossings and underpasses. This targeted approach enhances habitat connectivity and reduces wildlife mortality. This map is a powerful tool for enhanced connectivity, reduced mortality, informed planning, and beyond. Thanks for joining this comprehensive guide. Got queries? Contact us at support@mapog.com.